Trial 3.0. How can you help parents and students want to come back to VIP Kid for more classes? Set the stage. Every production needs to have the right environment for the audience to want to stay and come back for more. VIP Kid, there is no difference. First, you need to think about setting the right stage and environment. There's a few things you can do to make your environment the best VIP Kid environment. 1. Have good lighting. 2. Make sure your camera, your microphone, and your headset are all working properly before class time begins. 3. Have a good, inviting background. This is my background from Chinese New Year. And 4. It's important that the teacher looks awake, happy, and ready to teach. Remember, set the stage. Have good lights. Check your camera, microphone, and headset. Create a background that's suitable for teaching and look professional. Create connections. The first thing a student and a parent sees when they open that camera is your face. You can begin creating connections by the smile that you give students when they first see you. Second, learn the student's name. When you learn the student's name and you write it on the board, there's an automatic connection that you have made with that student. Third, if mom or dad are close, greet mom and dad. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Build a connection not just with the student, but with the family. That helps mom and dad feel comfortable with you as their child's teacher. Number 4, ask questions. Every new student that I have, whether it's trial or regular MC class, I ask the student some questions for a few reasons. 1, it builds good rapport with the student and with the family. It also helps the student feel more comfortable in the classroom because they're having an opportunity to answer some easy questions. And third, it helps you, the teacher, know the student's skill and ability level. How much English vocabulary does the student know? Do they answer with a complete sentence? Do they use correct grammar? Knowing the answer to these questions will help guide your class to helping the student feel confident in class, but also raising the bar in the student's English level by building on a skill that they may need a little help in. So start with easy question. What is your favorite color? Blue. How old are you? 9? Wow. You're a big boy. What do you like to eat? Hamburgers. Yummy. Hamburgers. What do you like to do? Soccer. I like to play soccer. Through asking these simple questions, you can evaluate. Does the student answer in a complete sentence? Yes? Great. Encourage the student throughout the lesson to use complete sentences and increase their sentence ability. Does the student answer in a single word or a short phrase? Encourage sentences. Does the student know how to answer with good vocabulary? Improve in their vocabulary. So you're building a connection by asking questions and evaluating the student's ability in English grammar, sentences, conversation, and vocabulary. And number 5, have an energetic and exciting goodbye. Something you may not want to do is say, "Oops, time to go to my next class, bye-bye." Click. Instead, have that energetic goodbye. "Bye, Hank. It was good to see you today. I hope to see you again soon. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. Hank is awesome." Giving that energetic goodbye will help the student leave the classroom wanting to come back to your class because you've created a connection that he wants to build on. Prep your props. Having a great 3.0 trial depends on how much you prepare for the lessons. As you begin to prepare for trials, be sure to look at every level of trial. When you prepare for each lesson, think about what kind of TPR you can use and what types of props will benefit the student and make the class a lot of fun. Here are some props that I use in some trials that I teach. Mike and Meg. Mike and Meg. Colors, yellow, yellow, yellow. And I have flashcards for the alphabet. I have a cutout of the family. I also have a mom and dad. And I bring in a picture of my family. I often ask the student, "Where is your mom? Where is dad?" Or, "Can you show me your family?" Something to help the student feel involved in the lesson. I also have TPR for mom and dad. Maps of China and the United States are props that I use for almost every trial class. Where are you from? I am from America. Flags for America and China. I have many stuffed animals. These help students feel comfortable in the class. Hello. 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 Hello, fish. Wild animal. A pig. Ew, stinky animal. This is a panda. I like bananas. Do you like bananas? Many different props that you can use in your trial class. These are all items that I can use in the classroom to help the student feel more comfortable, to help the student understand the material I am trying to teach, and to make the class fun.